Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello, I am Nafarani binti Muhammad Izham from class CDCS 2666A. In this short video, I will make a review on one of the ERP systems called Odoo. Odoo is an ERP system that helps business to manage their daily operations using different modules. There's a lot of modules provided by Odoo, such as human resource, CRM, accounting, sales, inventory, and many more. Odoo can be used online or installed on a local server, and all the modules in Odoo are connected. So the information will flow easily between departments in your company or in your organization. To add on, Odoo makes work faster by automating tasks, as it allows the users to customize how the system works as they prefer to. In this video, I will be focusing more on sales module of Odoo and tell how it can help you and your sales team. Let's get started. As you can see here, we have the interface of Odoo. It's set up much like the OS of your mobile phone. You can easily install modules as you install the apps in your phone. If you want to do so, just click on the apps. And here you can see a lot of modules, including the CRM, accounting, and many more. This looks more interesting because Odoo interface provides the Kanban view rather than just a simple view like this one. This is very simple and kind of not fun for me, so I prefer Kanban view more. The Kanban view, as you can see, overall is quite organized and shows a colorful yet simple design of icon, just like the apps in your smartphones. So it is recognizable and beneficial for the first-time user to quickly understand the features by looking at the icon. And there's also clickable buttons, which are much easier for you to control and navigate. As sales representative in your company, the first thing is to create an offer for your customer. So this go under the quotations. The quotations dashboard, by default, it is display all the quotations in the database related to the current user, as it indicated by the default My Quotations filter shown in the search bar here. The quotations appear in the default list view, but can also be viewed in Kanban view, calendar view, pivot table, graph view, or activity view. So to modify or view any listed quotation from the dashboard, just click on the desired quotation line. Then this Odoo system will reveal the details of the quotation that you choose just now. So we go back to the quotation dashboard. So as I mentioned before, the first thing is to create an offer, which is we need to create new quotations. So to create new quotations, you have to click the new button here, and you need to add the customer and enter any necessary information. So for example, choose Deco Edit customer and scroll down to the order line step to add a product, such as you want to choose cabinet with doors, or you can go to catalog, and there's a lot of product provided here in the catalog. And as you choose product cabinet with doors, you also can see the quantity. So if you want to edit it, maybe you want to offer 2 quantity of cabinet with doors, you can change it, and you can also modify any taxes, and you can see the amount and the total amount without tax and with tax here. Then you need to send and confirm quotations to customer. To do so, you need to click the send button once all the necessary fields have been satisfied. So click the send button to send quotation to the customer for their confirmations, because the quotation will officially turn into sales order once the customer confirm it. So then you click the send button. Now if you want the Odoo release a preview of the quotations to view the customer portal, as they can see the details of the invoicing, whether they can accept or reject the quotation. Once you satisfy, and you can click this confirm button, and once you click it, it will change to sales order status. So next, what you have to do is to create invoice by clicking this button, and there's 3 options here. But for the first time to do the payment, you can choose regular invoice, because if you choose, there's invalid message appear here. So it is advisable or suggested to choose down payment, and usually the percentage down payment is being used, and always 50% of the down payment. It is good to choose down payment since it can reduce the risk for both parties and indicate a mutual commitment to complete the sales transaction. So then you click the create draft button. Once you create the draft, you can review it again, the transaction. Before you confirm it, then you can click this confirm button. Once you click the button, the status will change to from draft to post. And now you can register the payment to create payment. Create payment. Once you create payment, you will see the green color of banner here. Initial payment is being paid by the customer. The payment is in processing. So if the customer want to pay the remaining amount, the same steps is needed. So that's the end for the demonstration. To conclude, the sales module in Odoo simplifies the entire sales process from quotations and sales order to invoicing and payments. Remember, selecting ERP system should always align with your business specifics, needs, processes, and also the long-term goals. I think that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.